So I just woke up a while ago, maybe like 10 minutes ago, and currently it's 12:50. So it's a Sunday today. I don't really have plans as such. I won't do a woke up like this because I just end up looking homeless when I wake up. My hair looks like a nest, or I don't even know what. But yeah, it's Sunday today, so hopefully we do something exciting, or if not exciting, just don't rot in bed all day, which is kind of what I did yesterday. And like the last few days have been kind of slow and kind of sad, so I just want to do something, like really do something, like even if it doesn't cheer me up, just to keep me busy. I have a little college work to complete, so I'll probably do that, dry my clothes, hopefully maybe probably go out, eat something that'll cheer me up. So yeah, that's the plan. So guys, for lunch we had palak paneer, raita and sambar, which was most parts inedible. Usually every Sunday we have biryani, and I'm a vegetarian and I don't like biryani, so I don't take it at all. And that's where the raita came from. So I just mostly had the roti and pickle, if I'm being very frank. But yeah, this was our meal. Hi gang. So I just had lunch in the mess. Now I'm going to take a very long shower because hopefully that'll make me feel better. Right now, I feel like a solid 5, maybe 4.5 out of 10. When I woke up, it was a 3, so it's improvement for sure. So I'm gonna take a long bath, I have to wash my hair and then dry my clothes. And once I complete both the tasks, I will reward myself with these chips. Because what am I if not a well trained dog? Not so well trained, also, but whatever. I was just standing in the sunshine for like 10 seconds after eating like some starved plant. That's cool. And I don't know, the food was so weird. It was bad. I miss my home food. मेस के खाने से कभी पेट ही नहीं भरता. But yeah, I'm thinking of wearing something very nice or like cutesy after my shower, because if I look good, then maybe I can gaslight myself into feeling good. Maybe. So I'm gonna do that. And then yeah, I have work also. I'm thinking of going out in the night time. So should be a pretty busy day. I'll just go take a shower now with Bollywood songs playing and ice cream. What am I saying? What am I saying? Hi guys, हम लोग नहा धो के तैयार हो चुके हैं. I mean, this is not the outfit, but this is like the chilling until it's time to go outfit. थोड़ा सा lip balm लगा के we'll get right to drying the clothes. Woo! I'm feeling like a solid 7. I'm happy. Woo! तो गाइस, कपड़ों के साथ साथ बाल भी थोड़े बहुत सूख गए हैं. I look like one hot boy. I guess I should comb it before it just gets set like that. But yeah. Oh, middle part भी अच्छा, I mean, अच्छा ठीक लग सकता है. It's chips time, guys. Woo! I'm gonna watch Harry Potter का पहला मूवी का आखिरी का 15 मिनट while eating this. अच्छा गाइस, तो थोड़े से स्लाइट चेंज इन प्लान्स हो गए. दोस्त को मेरे MIT, मतलब MIT क्या, मंदिर जाना है. तो हम लोग अब मंदिर जाएंगे जो कि MIT में है. एंड या मैं आकाश गुप्ता का एक वो देख रही थी, नया वीडियो जो आया है. ऑब्वियसली मस्ती आ गई. मस्ती क्या आ गई, अच्छा क्या बोल रही हूँ, अच्छा था वीडियो, मस्त सा. I want to show you guys this bracelet जो I recently bought from like this thrift shop नहीं, फ्री मार्केट था यहाँ पे some time ago. I don't really think it matches this, but hey. And also ये देखो, I've been using this for almost 2 years now. It's like I want to show you guys because इसके बीच का heart देखो, isn't that so adorable? Like it's kind of moisturizing क्योंकि जो बीच का part है that's like a lip balm, and then बाहर का is like a lipstick, which is oh. So cool. The tastes also pretty good, by the way. Not that you should be eating your lipstick. And lastly we'll put little Dio जो कि Bella Vita का मेरा favorite scent है. It's called Date. Just gonna put a bunch. I think watch मेरी अगर मुझे मिल जाए तो मैं थोड़ी सी पहन लूँगी. And obviously चप्पल क्योंकि मंदिर जा रहे हैं. So okay. So yeah, that's the fit. Bye bye. Hi guys, तो हम रूम लौट चुके हैं. बज रहे हैं रात के 11:15. तो काफ़ी क्रेज़ी डे रहा यार. मैं कुछ 6:30 बजे निकली थी. फिर हम लोग MIT मंदिर गए. देन वी वर जस्ट वॉकिंग अराउंड. फिर हम लोगों ने जूस पिया, मौसम्बी का. जूस पिला दीजिए. तो मौसम्बी का जूस पिया. फिर हम लोग क्रोमा में भटके आधा घंटा. दैट वाज फन. फिर वी वेंट आउट फॉर डिनर लाइक आई वांटेड टू. मैं डिनर की पिक्चर्स कुछ यहाँ डाल दूँगी ऐसे. फिर चाय पी. कुछ रोज़ चाय पीना इज़ अ मस्ट. पता नहीं, बाकी एडिक्शन पालने से तो अच्छा ही है इन माय ओपिनियन. तो वो चाय पी. फिर एक थोड़ा दूर में there's like this place where we like go and sit usually. So not usually, like we can sit, like we don't usually sit there, we walk around there, but then आज वो like वहाँ बैठना है क्या. So then we went and sat there, and then we were sitting there for like half an hour, 45 minutes, and I was dancing on the road, and it was so magical. like कभी कभी लगता है कि मणिपाल तो अपना ही है. And like I feel like I have no social anxiety left at this point, because whoever strangers are there around whenever I'm doing all this, like dancing on the road, whatever, it's not like I'm ever gonna meet them again. Even if I do, it's not like they will come to my face and be like, तू ही थी ना, तू ही थी जो रोड पे नाच रही थी. Like if they do, they're the weird one, right? तो वही सब, like I was like dancing, we were playing songs, we were singing, it was a lot of good fun. And randomly someone came and started bursting crackers right there, so we were like, okay, let's go. फिर we came back and I came to the room. अभी कॉलेज का काम तो mostly I won't do tonight, but थोड़ा change करके I'll wear my night dress, and then I guess that's all for today. I don't know, और कुछ मतलब extraordinary record करने लायक तो नहीं होगा रात में. So guys, I just realized I forgot to give a proper conclusion to the video. I apologize for that, and I'm only just realizing that I forgot to record the main parts of my day that are essentially supposed to be in a day in my life. Like probably should have recorded the temple and dinner and all of that, but that's my bad. I'll keep that in mind for next time. This is my first time doing this too. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you all very soon. Keep supporting me. Bye bye.